Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. This is how to fix your tech. Now today I thought I'd do a video on how to get free games on the Epic Games Store. Now this is completely legal. It's all these deals are by Epic Games. Now as much as I hate clickbait, I'm going to say this at the start of the video. These are what you call sales. These are not like all games on the store free. They are, what they do is they get a specific couple games and they often have a timer or a countdown until they're free, and every now and then you can pick up some games for free. Now these are selected by Epic Games, so that it's not, as I said, it's not any game you want on the store, but you can have a look and you might just get lucky and get a game you want for free. So I thought I'd do a video on how to do that, but until then, it's time for the intro. So I thought I'd mention before we really start the video that once you get these games, these will not go away as soon as the deal is over. They stay in your library until you uninstall them yourself. So yeah, and I thought I'd go back to screen recording, and I thought I'd try this GoPro here. If you don't see me in the actual video in the end, it's because it was a poor angle or something. But I thought I'd do screen recording again because some of my videos without the screen recording have been a little bit like, some of the screens been too hard to see, and I thought I'd just do this instead. So here we go, got OBS going, here we go. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is install Epic Games if you haven't already. Now I've already done a video on that, I believe, so if I have, you've got one there. But anyway, what you have to do is you have to go here into the start menu, search up Epic Games Launcher. Now if you haven't already signed in, this is where you do it. I'll cut this out so that we don't have all this signing in that's different for everyone, but I just sign in with Steam most of the time, so yeah. Alright, here we go, so we're signing in. It's I find that Steam is probably the best choice for me. I like to use Google for stuff like this, but I figured that maybe I'd probably want to maybe not use Google for once, considering that Steam is for games anyway, so yeah. Alright, now what you want to do is down here where we're on the store already, we want to scroll down until we see free games here. And we can go view more, and here we go. So all these games are normally not free. So as you can see, we've got unlocking in 5 hours. It probably won't let us click on it because that's what it does, but all these games are actually, they do cost money until, apart from this, as you can see here. Wolfenstein, the New Order, was $30, and they put it for free for us. So I thought, since I would do this video, and since it's like 4 minutes long right now, before editing, I thought I'd also install it for you. So all you have to do is click Get. Now we have to verify our information, just click here, that's all good, and click place order. Now as you can see, total $0 minus $29, so it's free. So don't worry about it charging anything. There's no place you have to put your card in either, so yeah, definitely not going to charge you. And click place order. Alright. Now what you need to do is open your email, and also we can do that later, I'll do that later at least. And it also gave us coupons, so yeah, gave us 25% off, and we've claimed it already. So then what you need to do is over here you need to go to library. And as you can see, PC Building Simulator was also once free. I never installed it because I can't really be bothered, but I will. And here's our game that we've just got. So you just click on it, and then click install, and choose where you want it, click install, and wait. Alright everyone, so it's downloaded 44 gigs later. Yeah, I do a lot for you. No, I'm just kidding. It really doesn't bother me. You never know, I might even keep the game. But anyway, what we can do is over when you've got this here, you can click downloads to see that if you're wondering as well. But while we've got this here, we'll click on where it says quick launch and click launch. Should say running and should open. Now I've never seen this game before, I've got to be honest. So hopefully we have audio. That would be pretty bad. I know Bethesda. Alrighty, and here we go. So we're into a free Epic Games game that we got discounted off $30. Pretty good, I know. So you've basically got a $30 game for free. Now, as I said, it's not for every game. It's not every game you choose. If you did that, I can't find a way that that wouldn't be illegal. I assume Epic Games pays the publishers all the money when they put up a game like this for free. I assume they virtually pay for it instead of you, so they're still earning money, which makes it legal and completely hack-free, virus-free obviously. But anyway, thanks for watching. Hope this video helped you out. This is how to fix your tech, and I'll see you in another video.